Project Pi Labs, and today we are going to be discussing for the Sui Overflow 2025 Hackathon. Our project is called Gotchis, which is an AI powered companion. It's basically reimagining how you interact with wallets. It's basically a visualization of it. Super cool and super excited to show you guys what we built.
Yep. And I'm Christopher Powell, and I'll be demonstrating the gotchas. Like Van said, it's an AI agent that is able to basically show emotion with your wallet. So we essentially are reimagining how we interact with wallets with gotchas. So we can go ahead and get started. You can see my screen?
Yep.
Awesome. So, gotchas, reimagining how we interact with wallets. Welcome to Gotchas, your AI powered companion for on chain portfolio analysis, profit and loss tracking, and real time wallet mood visualization, all through a dynamic NFT. So, for this journey, we're going to actually go to the Sui Gotcha. So, welcome to Sui Gotcha. And Sui Gotcha is your AI powered companion from the on chain portfolio analysis. It's basically tracking your wallet, and it's tracking all of your transactions that you've done since you first used your wallet. It'll pick up all of your inflows and outflows, and then it tracks the price at which you actually had inflows and outflows. Compare, or rather combine both of them, and then from there it gives you a summary of what you've done, and then the AI agent will assign a mood based off of what you've done. So for example, let's say you haven't done anything in your wallet, it'll give you hungry. It'll basically show an emotion of hungry, and so it'll mint you an NFT, and you'll be able to see it, and it's dynamic because it has to change based off of your wallet transactions. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to go to the AI mode. I always like to switch between the two, but you can see here that the wallet is hungry, simply because this is the testing wallet. You can see it says the wallet ending at 64E5 shows no activity in terms of SUI inflows, outflows, or staking events. If I were to click on AI agent timeline, you can see this is the only one that has been minted. And this timeline is really cool because it actually shows all of the gotchas that have been minted by everyone once they actually analyze their wallet. You have the AI agent thoughts, which essentially is, just going through the flow of how everything is working inside the system internally. So a few of them says something like the agent gotcha count stands as one. It says, I've whipped up a new GPT prompt for the gotcha summary, feeling like a literal genius. And then it says, popped my latest journal entry into the last summary sui.json, documenting all the gotcha adventures. And you can see here that the AI agent has zero inflows, outflows, and net of zero. So the wallet is owned by the agent itself, and the agent is able to auto analyze itself ever so often. The price history, just showing the price of Sui over time. And I'm thinking for the long run, there'll be some functionality with this. Also, maybe having it to where the agent's able to pinpoint when it actually has transactions going. So maybe somewhere over here, there's an inflow from the agent. Somewhere over here, there's an inflow here from the agent. So that's something to look into. We have the light and dark mode, of course. And then if we go back, we can go to the human mode. I have to sign in. So let me click sign in, and it is Sui. So I have to use the slush wallet. We're going to go ahead and sign in with the wallet ending at 44 EB. I'm going to approve it. And right now it's idle simply because I have not analyzed this wallet. So I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it, click analyze, and we're going to wait. Now, still a work in progress, but so far, so good. We have some information so far. It's showing that it is happy, and that's simply because it has some inflows. It says the summary. The wallet shows no Sui transfers, but engaged in staking activities. Um, and you know, I did liquid stake a little bit with this wallet just for testing. Um, the cool thing is, if I wanted to, I can download a PDF. So if I click download PDF and then click on it, I can actually zoom in a little bit. Can you see that, Vin?
Yep.
Awesome. So you can see that the wallet that I just transact with, I can see the monthly analysis as well as the summary. And then if I were to go back, I can see a price history, which again, just like the agent, probably have some feature in the future where it'll actually have more involvement with the price and the inflows and outflows from the person's wallet. We can actually go into the documentation a little bit more, but
Yeah,
you have the introduction in
yeah,
which
and I was going to say, yeah, you can just go to the docs, but yeah, that's basically it. Thank you.